Sponsored by RxCardClub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. RxCardClub.com. How long can Tresiba be out of the fridge? How long can Tresiba be out of the fridge? Tresiba, insulin degludec, can last out of the fridge, at room temperature, below 86 F, 30 C, for 56 days, 8 weeks. This includes Tresiba that is in use, opened, and not in use, unopened. After this time Tresiba should be discarded. Storage conditions and shelf life for Tresiba. Not in use, unopened. In use, opened, refrigerated. 36 F to 46 F. 2C to 8C. Room temperature. Below 86 F, 30 C. Room temperature. Below 86 F, 30 C. Refrigerated. 36 F to 46 F. 2C to 8C. 3 ml single patient use Tresiba U 100 FlexTouch, until expiration date, 56 days. 8 weeks. 56 days. 8 weeks. 56 days. 8 weeks. 10 ml multiple dose Tresiba U 100 vial, until expiration date, 56 days. 8 weeks. 56 days. 8 weeks. 56 days. 8 weeks. 3 ml single patient use Tresiba U 200 FlexTouch, until expiration date, 56 days. 8 weeks. 56 days. 8 weeks. 56 days. 8 weeks. Related questions: what is the difference between Soliqua and Xultophy Toujeo versus Tresiba? What's the difference between them? Is Tresiba the same as Lantus? RxCardClub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 80% on prescription drugs.